This is the Prybrid utility from Gerber. Two things that Gerber's done really well for a long time is blades and solid state tools. The Prybrid utility combines both of those into a compact form factor. The Prybrid utility is safe and easy to carry with 3 slide lock positions: closed, open, and exchange. The G10 scale material is durable and provides enhanced grip on the job. A pass-through slot in the frame allows you to cut cord and wire in the closed position. It also includes a lanyard hole for easy carry. Prybrid utility offers 8 tools, including full-size utility blade, cord cutter, bottle opener, large flathead driver, wire stripper, nail puller, small flathead driver, and pry bar. It's available in OD green and tactical gray. Perfect for carrying in a pocket or on a keychain, the Prybrid utility offers tremendous function and a compact factor.
Heavy-duty folding utility knife with 5 SK5 blades. Safety axis lock design, fast and safe. Lightweight and durable aluminum body. Quickly change blades, stable and convenient. Coated with anti-rust oil. The blade will be locked well. Sharp and firm, used for cutting various materials. Foldable, and belt clip, small and portable. Work with all standard blades.